Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and this is Gellért Bath, and it's a spa thing kind of stuff, but let's go inside and see if we can get anywhere near anything. The building looks amazing. Let me show you the building too. So this is the building. I mean, even the entrance is amazing. And the door is amazing. And it says right there, Gellért Spa. Come one, come all. No, I don't have any idea what that says, but I think this is Gellért thing. Oh, this door is like crazy heavy. And here's another door. Wow. Skip the line with online tickets. Enjoy relaxation without queuing. Enjoy relaxation. I just want to look down here and see. Wow. I wonder if they're going to yell at me. Look at the stained glass too. That's amazing. It's an amazing building. It even smells like Corleen. Spa shop. Good morning. Wow. Wow, wow, what an amazing building. Oh, and you can see the spa back there. Swimming cap is obligatory in the pool. And it doesn't look like anybody in there has got a cap on, but that's neither here nor there. Gosh, look inside there. Can you see that? Wow. I mean, this is amazing here, just in and of itself. Wow. Well, and they have pictures of it, so this is what it looks like inside the pool area. That's pretty cool. And it looks like it's male and female. And I think if I read it right, this one was 1,100 to get in, 11,000, sorry, 11,000 huff to get in. And I don't know what, oh, is that the changing area? Yeah, that's probably the changing area. And more pictures. Wow. So this is the it's pretty spectacular. So look at this. I mean, it's just gorgeous. So 10,000. If 1,000 is $3, so 10,000 would be $30 plus the other 1,000, so 30, like 40 bucks maybe. And they have Thai massages here too. That's funny. I'm going to tell you this. I think Budapest is the massage capital of the world. the Thai massage capital of the world, because they're everywhere. Wow. It really is spectacular. Well, I'm not going any further. Let me go see. And so here's the tickets. Daily ticket. So 9,400 for for Monday through Thursday. Weekends are 10,900. That's what it was. Sold out. If you want a towel, that's 6,000 off. That's funny. Swimming cap. Wow. Let's see here. They got a pamphlet here. And you can see how big this place is. It's really big. And you look at it from above on Google Maps. So it's pretty crazy. Because I think this is where I came in at, over here, but then this is that pool that we looked at. So there's a whole other outdoor pool, indoor pool. And here's what it says. 5 indoor thermal pools, indoor swimming pool, 5 indoor saunas, and 2 steam rooms, outdoor thermal. Wow.
Hello? Can I ask you a question?
Wow.
We have a full day ticket here for today. We don't have any slippers and towels.
You can purchase in the special.
Okay.
Wow.
Inside also?
Cool. Okay. Well, everybody, this is the Gellért Spa, thermal spa. Very cool. Okay. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Bye.